Alright guys, Waylon here with Discount Fireworks, WisconsinDiscountFireworks.com, stores in Princeton, Ripon, Necedah, and Oxford, Wisconsin. Tonight's demo, Sin City by World Class Fireworks. 17 shots. This one also comes with the hologram if you're a collector, and this is pretty cool. I'll show you what I did with my last one. I took it right off and I stuck it on my shelf here. Good stuff. Sin City, 17 shots. Oh, nice mine effect. Alright, that was pretty cool. I thought it was going to keep going. But all in all, that was an awesome cake.